The Components panel gives us quick visual access to various elements we can add right to our project. And the panel is divided into simple categories like form elements, headers, pricing, authentication, etc. If we take headers, we can find all the necessary building blocks that we need to create a header. There are two ways to add component from Components panel. One, we can select existing section, div block or body. Then we can click on any component that we want to add. Since we selected the body tag, the component was simply added right underneath the previous header. The second way to add components from Components panel is by dragging and dropping onto the canvas. The yellow indicator tells us where we are placing it, and our new element, its position is highlighted in green border. That is dragging and dropping into the canvas.